Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. If it's not your first time, thanks for coming back. So I'm gonna get back to Nightwish. It's been a while. It's been too long since I've been checking out some Nightwish. So funny thing is, I had an old school list written down on paper in a notebook, and I can't find the damn page of recommendations. I found a couple of written down on another little post-it note. So do me a favor, recommend as much as you can for Nightwish again, because I was scouring the comments. It's a lot of freaking work. I thought I could search it better, but I can't, or I can't figure it out. I don't know. But that would be helpful. I appreciate it. I'm gonna do today 7 Days to the Wolves. Now, I read the lyrics. As always, you know, I was a little puzzled by it. The way he writes is just freaking awesome. But the way I interpreted it is kind of like, you know, just keep going. The wolves are always, you know, right on your tail, 7 days behind, something like that. I'm not sure. I think somebody said something about going through their comments there. That it's based on Dead Poets Society. I don't know if that's true. I can't remember I can't remember Dead Poets Society. I don't think I watched that movie since it came out. It's a long freaking time ago now. I feel like I gotta go watch that movie. But I don't know. That's about it. So, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that YouTube-y stuff to help me with the algorithm gods. I'm gonna grab my headphones. Oh, this is live at Wembley Arena. By the way, there's an arena and a stadium. I had no idea about that until my last video. So I'm going to grab my headphones and let's check out some more Nightwish. That's cool. So visually, this freaking band is really cool live. That's one thing. It's just all the stuff going on. What is that, like creepy branches or something there? That's freaking cool. I love that. I love the way the guitar solo is like started out. And it's the way he plays a lot too, I've noticed. He starts out with a nice melodic sound and then goes into, a little bit of a shred. Freaking, that's awesome. And Floor. What can I say? I think since I started the channel, she's the best voice I have discovered. I am so happy that I discovered her. And I follow her on her channel, on her YouTube channel. You guys should check that out if you're not. She doesn't get as many views as I thought she would. She releases stuff all the time. She just released something the other day. I was just about to listen to it. But I always wonder, am I supposed to record it? No, I probably won't. They're gonna go into something cool.
Wembley, let's go!
What is that?
Like the fire of peace, she's the ghost giving. Take the road that's trouble, fighting the sea of fools. Summer powers. 7 days to the walls. Where will we be? When they come. 7 days to the poison. Find a place in heaven. Time growing near us. They come to take us. 7 days to the wall. 7 days to the wall. Where will we be when they come? 7 days to the poison. And a place in heaven. Time growing near us. They come to take us. Heroes, cowards, heroes, cowards, heroes, cowards,
All right, that video ended quick and went into straight into an ad, so I apologize if there's a weird transition there. That's an awesome song. I really enjoyed that song. And I will say one thing: this band is dedicated to the windmill, right? I mean, to get the guy on the keyboard doing the windmill while he's freaking doing his thing. Floor's always doing her windmill, and I think that was my favorite part of the freaking song at the time, because it was really the whole thing was just cool. Visually, you see a horse galloping in the background, and the whole band's in a gallop at the same time. So you get a horse in the background, you get a bandit. You get the horse in a gallop, the band in a gallop. You got Floor doing her freaking windmills. I couldn't do windmills that long without getting sick. I'll tell you, I remember way back in the day, I was at a Anthrax Public Enemy concert, and I was banging my head so freaking hard, I puked everywhere. I'm sure that Jack Daniels had absolutely nothing to do with it. But, yeah, that was so fun. Now, was that dude playing a mandolin? What was that thing that guy was playing? Somebody must know. Somebody knows out there. It looked like it had 8 strings. Was it a mandolin? I don't know. Let me know so that we can just clear that up. But besides that, yeah, absolutely enjoyed this song. Let me know any other songs that you think I should be checking out, because I got to redo my list, like I said. So if you made it to the end of the video, guys, thank you. I appreciate you. And I'll see you soon.